Hello everybody, welcome back here. It's Z Artwork with another drawing, and today I'm going to be drawing a cat. I'm going to be showing you guys how to draw this full cat head. It's a very fun drawing to do. I really had a lot of fun drawing it, and I thank you guys all so much for your support. But anyway, let's get right on to the drawing. First, I'm going to start off by drawing my eyes. I'm going to keep my eyes roughly about an eye length or a little more apart from each other. In this, I took a lot of time planning where I wanted my eyes, so you can either use ruler, grid lines, or sketch, however you want to possibly position your eyes. So, as you see, the outline of the eye is very, very dark and the pupil is very light. And then I went over it with my blending stick. So, this is what you have to keep in mind when you're drawing a cat. You want to keep in mind your darkness scale. I have a 10 out of 10 darkness with my pupils and the outskirts of my eye. Keep that in mind. And then the rest of it is very, very light. And the part I haven't drawn on is 0 out of 10 light to dark. So, keep that in mind when you're drawing. It's a very, very vital key when you're drawing, especially pencil drawings, to keep your darkness scale in mind. So I just blended into my eyes with my blending stick, little fine detailing touches with my mechanical pencil with 4B leads, and then now I'm going to go on to the nose. The nose is a very, very tricky part of this drawing, because I have to center the nose in the middle of both my eyes and keep it probably an eye length or a little bit more down from one of my eyes. So you have to position your nose correctly. Once again, it's another proportion feature, and it is a very vital role in drawing a cat. Now I'm going to be focusing on the fur. The fur around the eyes and the nose is going to be detailed to an extent, not an extreme amount of detail. So I'm going to go over it by doing a very, very light outline of my pencil and whatever way the fur is going. So if it's going up, I'm going to do the streaks up, left, right, whatever, in wave pattern. And then I'm going to go over with my blending stick or my finger. Blending stick I found to be a little bit better when drawing with like cat animals or any pencil animals. And then I'm going to go over with my eraser, and then I'm going to repeat the process but going a little bit darker with my pencil and having my streaks a little bit thinner and a little bit less long, as I should say. So that's how I draw the fur mainly, and the snout and stuff. Now, as you see how I'm working on the mainly the other parts of the drawing, like below the nose or the ears or on top of like the head, you want to not detail as much as you do with your eyes or your nose, because you're going to take away the effect that your eyes give to the drawing, because the eyes are the main thing, the showboating part of this drawing. Everyone likes to see the eyes, so keep those the main thing that people really, really want to look at. So that's why I stress don't detail unnecessary details, if that makes sense. So I hope these tips are helping you guys, by the way, to draw a cat. This cat drawing was very fun to do, and I had a lot of time. So now I'm going to be going on more of the fur on the ears. In this, I'm going to be using more of a uniform pattern. I'm going to be going like up in a waveform from both sides. And then I'm not going to be having a lot of darkness in the center of the ears, because that would make it more unrealistic, and that's kind of how I want to make my cat ears. I want to make them both the same way. That's how I'm going to do them. So as you see, my process of just going over with my pencil really light, and then blend, then erase, light, blend, erase, light, blend, erase, and so on. You do that process until you like it. You don't need to exactly go off a picture that you're drawing. Just do it until you like it, because once again, it is your own drawing. So if you're learning how to draw a cat, follow these steps and make sure you do it to your liking. So now, below like the cat head, mainly the cat body, I'm just going to be going very, very faintly and kind of scratchy, if I would say. So as I'm working more and more on the cat, I am thinking still about that darkness scale. And you see those really dark parts throughout the cat, like those scratch marks of the fur. I'm making those 10 out of 10 darkness. And as you see, I'm putting a whole bunch all over, because that's how cats are. And the top of the cat, I'm going to make it extremely dark. I'm going to blend it in to make it blend with the other furs, I would say. And that's how I'm going to be drawing the main parts of the cat. So cat drawings are very fun to do and very basic if you are like a really detailed animal drawer. I like to draw cats, dogs, all types of animals, because they're very fun to draw and they're actually challenging at points. So a cat is a very good beginning step if you guys want to learn how to draw animals. And because it focuses on fur, eyes, nose, proportions, ears, everything a cat actually focuses on. So that's why I like to draw cats. Now the second ear, I'm going to try to make it the exact same as the first, and if it doesn't come out the same as the first, maybe I'm going to alter the first to the second. However I like the ears, I will make them both the same. So as you see, this ear is coming out very nice. I like how I'm blending the left and right part of the ear to make it very dark to very light in the center. So I'm going to probably fix that on the right one and make the right one the left one the exact same as the right. So now I'm going to be focusing on the right part of the cat. And once again, I'm going to be doing the fur. The fur, I told you, the very simple process of blending, erasing, and going over with your pencil. And also, I am blending my materials with my other materials. So I have a 6B pencil, a 4B pencil, a prismacolor pencil, and an 8B pencil. Now, all of those require different types of blending. Some require really tough, hard blending, but you have to blend them all together to make it look uniform. You don't want to go from 10 darkness to 0 darkness when there's like you're working on fur or something. You want to make sure you keep that in mind, you're blending. So I'm finishing up my cat body. I'm going to make it all go in a uniform direction, like a very good, nice flowing fur, and finishing up my little touching and detailing. So I thank you guys so much again for watching this cat. It was a very fun drawing to do. I love teaching you guys and showing you guys how I drew this cat. So please comment down below whatever drawing suggestions you want next, and subscribe to my channel. I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day.